Hello and welcome to my channel. It's one of my most favorite things to do today. I got some happy mail and I haven't got an idea what's inside this, so I'm going to open it in front of you and you can share my excitement. I was busy coloring for a video. I've put these pink things on just to cover my address. I was busy coloring and recording a video when the doorbell went. And it was so, isn't it exciting to get our delivery courier that comes here is usually Aramex. And he handed over these parcels with my name on. Open, open, sesame. I wonder what it is. Oh, it's so exciting. I love getting presents. Let's see. This says, I'm not going to read what it says. Wow, a gift from Christy. Oh, Christy, thank you so much. That is so kind of you. Look what she sent me. Oh, I've wanted these so badly. This is the Ohuhu Skin tone markers. I have been dying to try these Ohuhu markers out, and look how they come. They're going on holiday with me now when I go away. Look, I'm just going to dump that on the floor. How they come in this lovely box. Oh, that's so nice. Look at that. Oh, I'm ecstatic. Thank you so much. Oh my goodness. Look at that. Oh, it's got a brush tip. And is that a bullet or a chisel? Oh, it's a fine tip, a bullet tip. That's awesome. Can't wait. Oh, so that's, thank you so much. Oh, super duper exciting. Please excuse me. Then next, make sure I don't cut anything. Put my hands in. This is also, oh, look at that. Oh, I've been wanting this. Oh, that's so exciting. Thank you so much. I love the Creative Haven stuff. Look at that. Oh, look at that image. Oh, that is too adorable. Oh, these are so pretty. Is this a Teresa Goodridge? I think it is. Yes, Teresa Goodridge. Oh, thank you so much. That's beautiful, but I feel something else in here. What is this? Oh my word. Look at this. I've been dying to try these Chromaflow pencils. Christy, you have spoiled me so much. Oh my goodness. Look at that. They look beautiful. That's super exciting. So those are coming with me on holiday as well. Oh, I'm going to have so much fun. There's something more in here. Look at that. Oh, how divine. The 50 winter miniatures. Thank you so much, Christy. Oh, I just love these. I've just finished this color along from the 50 autumn miniatures. I think her images are too cute. Thank you over and over and over again for this absolutely incredible gift. Look at what I got. Thank you so much. I'm over the moon excited. Thanks for sharing in my joy. Goodbye now and have a wonderful week.